East Wellness for one of our videos. I'm here with Anne, one of our registered massage therapists. I'm Dr. Kat, one of our clinic chiropractors. And today we're talking to you about the things that we have in the clinic for you to buy that continue to help you between treatments. We have the lowly Lacrosse ball, which is a magical ball because it's a little harder but still has some give. And you can use it for things like your IT band. So if Anne turns, she can really lean into the wall in between and just hold it. We can then bring it behind into the shoulder blade area and she can roll on top of it. It can be used in the bed underneath your bottom when you're sitting because those get really tight because everybody sits. So it's a really useful tool. You can rub your feet on it. It helps a lot. This is too big for things like your neck. So we have the AccuBall for that. It's tinier. We would use it for things like your suboccipital muscles and in and along your neck because it's a little bit smaller and has a little bit nubbly stuff. You can also heat it up, which feels great. So once again, these are some useful tools to use in between treatments and that will actually help you get better when used like we helped you learn how to use them. Just don't go willy-nilly, but they're very useful to help you improve between treatments. All right, thanks for joining us today to learn about the things that we have that help you get better between treatments for sale at the clinic. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and if you have any comments, put them below and we'll try to get to them. Have a great day.